Today I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the 504 error or 502 error you're getting in Google Chrome. So depending on the error, the 502 would say bad gateway, the 504 error would say that's an error, but they both have the same resolution. So in this tutorial I want to just go over that for you guys. So we're going to start by actually opening up our Google Chrome web browser. And then what we're going to do is head up to the top right corner and left click on the three vertical dotted icon up at the top right. And then you want to left click on settings near the bottom of this drop down menu. Now underneath settings you want to scroll down near the bottom of this page where it says show advanced settings, and you want to left click on that. Want to scroll down again. Underneath privacy you want to left click on content settings right here. So left click on that. So underneath cookies, or the first area that comes up underneath content settings, you want to left click on all cookies and site data right here. So for whichever site you're having the problem with, you want to delete them. So for example, if we had a problem with gstatic.com, without even having to search it, we can see it's on this list. I'm assuming you guys will have a lot more to deal with, so you probably will need to search for the website. So once you find the website in the search results, what you want to do is just left click on it, and then left click on the little X that appears once you've selected that, and click on the X. That'll delete the cookie. You can also remove all, so worst case scenario, you cannot locate yours for the website you're having the problem with. Just remove all, and then restart the browser after closing out of these windows, and hopefully your problem has been resolved. So I do hope this tutorial worked for you guys, and I will catch you in the next video. Goodbye.